Tired of endless customer inquiries? Let's revolutionize your WhatsApp communication by building a chat-powered chatbot using Aisensy in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Aisensy and connect your WhatsApp Business API. This is the foundation that allows your chatbot to interact with your WhatsApp account. Now, find the integration section and look for ChatGPT. Click Connect and paste your OpenAI API key. This will connect your Aisensy account with the powerful language model of ChatGPT. You can get your API key from the OpenAI website. Next, go to the workflow section to create a new flow. This is where you will set up the rules for your chatbot's responses. Set up a trigger to start the conversation. This could be a keyword like help or a welcome message that greets new users. Now, add a ChatGPT action. Write a detailed prompt that tells ChatGPT how to respond based on the user's message. Be specific with your instructions. Connect the ChatGPT action to a reply action. This will send chat's response back to the user on WhatsApp. Save and publish your workflow, and you are done. Test your chatbot by sending messages to your WhatsApp number. Watch how ChatGPT intelligently answers your questions. You can now provide instant support, automate responses, and significantly improve customer engagement.